guys, we're back with another video.
E-Squad Trio.
E-Squad Trio. It's an exciting day because I'm with my friend Luca here. And I'm with my brother here. Elijah, come in the video. And today we're building a nature house. So we've already got it right here. If you can see it. We've got like fans.
A fan. Another fan.
Yeah.
Where's that fan? There. There's the fan.
Oh, it fell
And
off.
this nice smudgy floor. So now we're going to build the walls.
Yeah. Because we've already built the floor and now we're building the walls. So we're here. This is where we made the floor. And this is where we're going to make the walls. Let's get ready. Okay.
Look at the house.
We have some other friends. We have Leo. And we have Ace.
And we're just making this.
So we've got 2 sticks.
Yeah,
And we're making it.
And we got some cement.
Okay, let's get ready. There's a problem.
Look.
We have like a really big stick, but we might use it.
I know what to use it for.
I mean, like, my friend Luca knows what to use it for. So, we must know.
A really long one.
Okay. All our friends are
Here to down.
doing it.
All of the friends are helping, and I am just to build it with the door. I got.
Okay. Let's do it. I'm so excited when this finishes. I wonder what it looks like. It's hard, like, getting the sticks.
I've got a YouTube channel that I
So Luca is like still getting the sticks, and this is what the wall looks like
It fell down.
right now, and it fell down.
Have you showed them the?
But we'll fix it. Okay, we've done well. It's going good now. That is what it looks like.
Yeah. And I stopped doing this.
So it's good. Luca's doing it.
The final touches.
Yep.
And
Final touches. This is gonna be good. Elijah's built this thing.
Yeah,
Elijah, what is it?
a snow. This is the wall, and this is the door.
Oh, okay.
Wait,
Elijah
come
says this is the wall and this is the door. That's good. I like this. So Indy's building something here.
Can I see?
Luca.
Can I see? Yes.
It's actually Luca. I got it mixed up. Whoopsies. So Luca's building something. It looks good.
You're trying to.
This door looks good.
Are you doing it?
I can't lie. It looks good. So you know how we have one house? We actually have 2. So this is like kind of like where we like get stuff. Look, we've already broken one. We've got rocks. There's rocks right there. One and another one right here. And we've got like, we're going to store stuff here. So it's going to be cool. This is going to be great. I'm so happy. This is like the 3rd best day of my life. So, Lucas says something.
Don't forget to subscribe to Invincible Eye, who he's friends with.
Yep.
My channel,
Yeah, that's Indy's channel.
which is my brother.
If you think he's a girl, then he's actually a boy. He looks like a girl.
You look like a girl.
So you subscribe to Invincible Eye and E-Squad Trio. It's the end of the video. And if you
Don't forget to comment and subscribe.
Yeah, and if we get
will come to
a
your
lot
house and kill you.
I just stop. And if we get a lot of views,